Keto Angel Food Cake Recipe, Low Carb, No Sugar Crash. Tips. Craving a light and airy dessert without sacrificing your keto goals? Look no further than this heavenly Keto Angel Food Cake. With fluffy egg whites, a hint of almond, and 0 sugar spikes, it's a guilt-free dream come true. Ingredients: serves 8 to 10. Asterisk 10 large egg whites, room temperature. Asterisk 1½ teaspoons cream of tartar. Asterisk 1/2 teaspoon salt. Asterisk 3/4 cup granulated Swerve, or other keto sweetener. Asterisk 1 3/4 cups almond flour, sifted. Asterisk 1/2 cup egg white protein powder, optional, adds volume. Asterisk 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Asterisk 1/2 teaspoon almond extract. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 165 degrees Celsius. Do not grease your angel food cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper cut to fit. 2. In a large, clean bowl, whisk egg whites with cream of tartar and salt until frothy. Using an electric mixer on medium speed, gradually beat in sweetener until soft peaks form. Increase speed to high and beat until stiff peaks hold their shape. 3. In a separate bowl, sift together almond flour and protein powder, if using. Gently fold dry ingredients into egg whites in 3 batches, using a rubber spatula. Add extracts and fold until just combined. 4. Pour batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top. Run a knife or fork through the batter a few times to remove air bubbles. 5. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 6. Invert the pan onto a wire rack immediately and let cool completely, at least 2 hours, before unmolding. Dust with powdered Swerve, if desired. Tips. Asterisk for extra airy and light results. Separate the egg whites while they're cold and then bring them to room temperature before beating. Make sure no yolk gets into the whites, as this will prevent them from whipping properly. Asterisk if you don't have protein powder, simply omit it or substitute with more almond flour. Asterisk experiment with different flavors. Add a few drops of lemon or orange extract, or fold in fresh berries before baking. Asterisk store leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Enjoy this delicious and keto-friendly treat. With its light texture and subtle sweetness, it's the perfect way to satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. So ditch the store-bought, sugar-laden cakes and whip up this heavenly Keto Angel Food Cake at home. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Bonus tip. For a truly decadent experience, top your cake with a dollop of homemade keto whipped cream or your favorite keto-friendly berries and sauce.